Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my rental property reno video with you guys. Usually I share my home decorating video, but this is the video little different. We have actually very limited budget for this house, and I was really want to do the cosmetic changes because this is my rental property from last I think 21 years. We have this property, and but from last 9 years it's used as a rental. So this is the furniture, all will go. I have a bin outside, so we'll throw in this one, but I just showing you step by step how we did it. And this is the kitchen. We already have a color done and the flooring done. This is the laminate floor. It's really nice, it's stubborn, nice price, and it looks good. As you see, the washrooms looks pretty wear and tear, so that's why I put the new lino in the washroom. The color is already done. So I'm gonna show 5 easy tips with you guys which you can do with your own house, or if you have a rental property, and if you want the best rent you have to do this. First, color. Second, lighting. Third, flooring. 4, appliances. And the 5th is baseboard and casing, because if you choose the wrong color it ruins the whole feel. Always use a neutral color. I really love this lino, it's from the Lowe's, $2 per square foot, you can't beat that price. And then I use the neutral color carpeting in the bedrooms because it's reduce the noise for the downstairs renter. And then the casing and the baseboard, always use the wider one because this makes a big difference. The tiny ones, like the slim ones, look cheaper, and if you go the wider is better. So I also bought the casing and the baseboard from the Lowe's because that time I think they have a really good sale price. And then changed the lino. And the lighting I got, you won't believe it, this light was just $20 from the thrift store. They have the I think the shipment, so luckily I have these. Otherwise it's I think $139 light. And then a nice cleaning. Now the reno is done, so we did good scrubbing. I almost spent 15 hours in cleaning, so do the really little good cleaning and scrubbing. Don't leave everything which somebody can notice. That's how you can get the best rent. Whenever I put this property on rent, everyone who came to see the property never complained about the look. They always love the light because it have a vaulted ceiling, so have a tons of light and so much sunlight. And because this is a small property, so the light is very important. You always play with the light. More light shows the property better. So now it's pretty much done. I'm ready. I'm gonna put this house on rent, and I'm gonna tell you the updates on this one. So keep watching, like, share and subscribe.